Awesome.
That was just stream.
Whose creepy kid picture is this? You come tell me who this creepy kid is? Okay, who's this creepy little kid? Jeez, what a creepy kid is this?